Did you know that some of the world's wealthiest investors owe their fortunes to a simple yet powerful investment strategy? Imagine earning a steady income without having to sell a single share. What if I told you that mastering just 9 dividend stocks could set you on the path to financial freedom? In today's video, we're diving into the top dividend stocks you should buy and hold forever. Stay tuned, because these picks could change the way you think about investing. A few years ago, I found myself constantly worrying about the ups and downs of the stock market. I was always chasing the next big thing, hoping for quick gains, but it left me feeling stressed and uncertain about my financial future. Then, I had a conversation with a seasoned investor who shared a game-changing piece of advice. Focus on dividend stocks. It was a simple shift in strategy, but it made a world of difference. Understanding which dividend stocks to buy and hold forever is crucial, because these stocks offer a steady income stream, providing financial security and peace of mind. Unlike other investments that require constant buying and selling, dividend stocks reward you for holding on to them. The benefits are immense: regular income through dividends, potential for capital appreciation, and the power of compounding returns over time. Ignoring this strategy means missing out on a reliable way to grow your wealth sustainably. With the right knowledge, you can avoid the risks of volatile investments and focus on building a portfolio that works for you, no matter the market conditions. Don't miss out on our upcoming analyses and tips. Make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. Stock 1. JPMorgan Chase & Co. When it comes to big banks, JPMorgan Chase & Co. stands at the top of the financial pyramid. This financial powerhouse isn't just any bank. It's a full-service leader that caters to consumers, small businesses, and even the wealthiest corporations and institutions. From everyday banking to high-end wealth management services, JPMorgan is indispensable in the financial world. Imagine a company so integral to the economy that as long as there is money, JPMorgan will be there, facilitating transactions and taking a modest cut for the price of doing business. What's even more impressive is how this giant navigated the treacherous waters of the 2008 financial crisis better than most of its peers. Thanks to the astute leadership of CEO Jamie Dimon, JPMorgan emerged stronger, solidifying its reputation as one of the best-run financial institutions globally. Now, let's talk dividends. As of June 12, 2024, JPMorgan Chase boasts a TTM dividend payout of $4.60, with a current dividend yield of 2.37%. This consistent payout not only provides a steady income, but also reflects the bank's robust financial health and commitment to rewarding its shareholders. Stock 2. Johnson & Johnson, founded over 130 years ago. Johnson & Johnson, J&J, is a titan in the healthcare sector. From Band-Aids and Tylenol to cutting-edge oncology drugs and state-of-the-art medical devices, J&J's diverse product portfolio makes it a household name. What sets Johnson & Johnson apart is its rock-solid financial stability. Alongside Microsoft, J&J is one of the few ADA-rated U.S. stocks, reflecting its unparalleled financial health. Moreover, Johnson & Johnson has increased its dividend every year for 6 decades, making it a reliable source of income for long-term investors. J&J's dividend yield stands at 3.38%, with an annual dividend payout of $4.96. With its proven track record, diverse product offerings, and exceptional financial stability, Johnson & Johnson is a dividend stock that promises consistent returns for years to come. Stock 3. Procter Gamble Co. Procter & Gamble, PG, is behind some of the most iconic consumer brands, including Gillette, Pampers, and Crest. These are products that people use daily, making P&G a staple in households around the world. P&G's commitment to shareholders is evident in its impressive dividend history. The company has increased its dividends for approximately 65 years, demonstrating its stability and reliability. P&G's dividend yield is 2.44%, with the most recent dividend being $1.01 per share. Over the past decade, P&G's dividend payments per share have consistently grown, showcasing its robust financial performance. For investors looking for a dependable dividend stock, Procter & Gamble's long-standing history of dividend growth makes it an excellent choice. Stock 4. Coca-Cola Co. Coca-Cola, KO, is more than just a soft drink company. With a diverse portfolio that includes juices, teas, and hydration products like Powerade and Smart Water, Coca-Cola has evolved to stay relevant and appealing to health-conscious consumers. Investing legend Warren Buffett has long favored Coca-Cola, and it's easy to see why. The company has increased its dividend for about 60 consecutive years, providing a reliable income stream for investors. Coca-Cola's dividend yield is 3.05%, with a payout ratio of 73.72%, meaning a significant portion of earnings is returned to shareholders. Coca-Cola's consistent dividend growth and strong brand make it a prime candidate for long-term investment. Stock 5. Verizon Communications Inc. Verizon, VZ, is a telecommunications giant that commands a significant share of the U.S. market. With over $130 billion in annual revenue from millions of connections, Verizon's scale is unmatched. The company's dividend yield is an impressive 6.58%, significantly higher than the S&P 500's average yield. Verizon's annual dividend payout is $2.66 per share, reflecting its commitment to returning profits to shareholders. With a stable duopoly alongside AT&T and high barriers to entry in the telecom sector, Verizon is poised to deliver reliable returns for the foreseeable future. Verizon's strong financial performance and high dividend yield make it a standout choice for dividend investors. Stock 6. Cisco Systems Inc. Cisco Systems, CSCO, is a leader in enterprise computing and a dominant force in the tech sector. Despite its occasional missteps, such as forays into consumer technology, Cisco has consistently grown its business and its dividend. Since starting dividend payments in 2011, Cisco has significantly increased its payouts, reaching 37 cents per share in 2021. Cisco's dividend yield is 3.49%, with an annual dividend of $1.60 per share. Cisco's robust financial health and strategic positioning in the tech industry ensure its longevity and profitability. For tech-savvy investors looking for reliable dividends, Cisco Systems is a solid pick. Stock 7. McDonald's Corp. McDonald's, MCD, is an icon in the restaurant industry, renowned for its ability to drive long-term shareholder value. With over 40 years of consecutive dividend increases, McDonald's has a proven track record of rewarding its investors. The company's dividend yield is 2.57%, with an annual payout of $6.68 per share. McDonald's consistent growth in dividends, coupled with its strategic expansions into delivery and loyalty programs, underscores its commitment to long-term success. For investors seeking a dependable dividend stock, McDonald's history of dividend growth makes it a compelling choice. Stock 8. Pfizer Inc. Pfizer, PFE, has cemented its reputation as a healthcare powerhouse, especially with its contributions during the COVID-19 pandemic. Beyond vaccines, Pfizer's portfolio includes blockbuster drugs like Prevnar, Ibrance, and Eliquis. Pfizer's dividend yield is an attractive 5.99%, with a TTM dividend payout of $1.68. The company's innovative potential and strong market presence make it a resilient choice for long-term investors. With its strong dividend yield and robust product lineup, Pfizer stands out as a top pick for dividend investors. Stock 9. Intel Corp. Intel, INTC, is a technology giant known for its processors found in most personal computers. However, Intel is not just about traditional computing. It also specializes in cloud data infrastructure and smart device chips. Despite recent structural changes and market challenges, Intel remains a dominant player in the tech sector. Intel's dividend yield is 1.62%, with an annual dividend payout of $0.50 per share. Intel's long history and ongoing innovations position it well for future growth. In this video, we've explored 9 top dividend stocks that have the potential to secure your financial future. From the robust financial services of JPMorgan Chase to the consumer staples of Johnson & Johnson and Procter Gamble, and the iconic brands like Coca-Cola and McDonald's, these companies have proven their ability to deliver consistent returns. We also delved into the technological strengths of Cisco Systems and Intel, the telecom stability of Verizon, and the healthcare innovations of Pfizer. Each of these stocks offers a unique combination of stability, growth, and reliable dividend payouts. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Do you own any of these stocks or have other dividend favorites? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, successful investing isn't about chasing the latest trends, but building a portfolio that grows steadily over time. By focusing on these dividend stocks, you're taking a significant step toward financial security and independence. Stay informed, stay patient, and let your investments work for you in the long run.